Once upon a time, in a peaceful little town called Pallet Town, a young boy named Ash Ketchum dreamed of being the greatest Pokemon trainer in the world. But he wasn't alone in his dream. He had a very special Pokemon by his side, a mischievous yellow Pikachu. Ash's journey began one sunny morning when he received Pikachu as his first Pokemon from Professor Oak. But unlike other trainers who started with friendly and obedient Pokemon, Pikachu was bit stubborn. He didn't want to listen to Ash at first and even shocked him with powerful electric attacks whenever Ash tried to get too close.
Why won't you listen to me, Pikachu?
Ash wondered, rubbing his head after getting shocked. Pikachu, though a little grumpy, had no idea that Ash only wanted to be his friend. Ash wasn't discouraged. He believed that with patience and kindness, he and Pikachu could become a great team. They set out on their first adventure together, traveling to the nearby forest. Ash wanted to find some wild Pokemon to catch, but Pikachu wasn't so sure.
Pikachu, we have to work together to become stronger.
Ash said. As they walked through the trees, suddenly they heard a rustling in the bushes. Out jumped a wild Caterpie, a tiny green Pokemon with big eyes and a soft body. Ash was excited,
This is our chance, Pikachu. Let's catch it.
but Pikachu was still a little reluctant. He wasn't sure if he could really trust Ash yet. As Ash pulled out his Pokeball, Pikachu decided to jump in and help anyway.
Pikachu, Thunderbolt.
Ash called out. Pikachu's electric powers lit up the forest as he unleashed a huge bolt of electricity. But instead of hurting the Caterpie, Pikachu's thunderbolt gently stunned it, making it easier for Ash to catch. Ash was amazed.
Pikachu, that was amazing. You helped me catch our first Pokemon.
For the first time, Pikachu smiled. Maybe Ash wasn't so bad after all. The two of them continued traveling, learning from each other every day. They met new friends along the way, like Misty and Brock, who also had their own Pokemon and skills to share. But the real magic happened when they entered their first Pokemon battle. Ash and Pikachu were up against a strong trainer named Jesse, who had a powerful Ekans. At first, Pikachu was nervous. He knew Ekans had a strong poison attack, and Pikachu wasn't sure if he could win. Ash could see the doubt in Pikachu's eyes and knelt down beside him.
Hey, Pikachu, I believe in you. We have got this together.
Ash said with a smile.
I know we can do it.
Pikachu sped forward so fast that Ekans didn't even see him coming. In a flash, Pikachu dodged Ekans' poison attacks and landed a hit, sending the snake Pokemon tumbling.
You did it, Pikachu!
Ash said, giving his Pokemon a big hug. Pikachu's ears perked up in delight, and for the first time he felt truly proud of himself. Hope you like the story.